I was sitting in the class one day and my teacher asked me, Jenna, who inspires you? Someone you look up to, someone special, someone unordinary. When she said unordinary, I thought of my brother, a 17-year-old black boy with less like stutter and more desire to play Sonic than interact with people who won't agree, who won't understand him.
Come on now. I don't play Sonic all the time.
He's smart, he's lovable, he's funny, he's sarcastic, and he has Asperger's, a form of autism. But see, people judge him and he doesn't care. See, he aspires to the yet to come of me. I remember his 8th grade graduation when the beat of the step was moving faster than he was, and he stuck out. But it was in that moment that I was never prouder to be his younger sister. You see, people judge him, but he doesn't care. I remember a college book reading competition at a block party. Whoever could read the book consistently would get $50. And my brother did. My autistic brother got through every single word with no problem. He said he only did it to prove that he could. See, people judge him, and he doesn't care. And I'm even jealous because he learned to block out the negativity that I never could. All they ever see in Ali is autistic. They don't see his sharpness. They don't see his mental capacity with an IQ probably higher than everybody. They don't see his enjoyment for construction and building things and making something better. All they ever see is autistic. And I don't care. I admire him. And I'm not afraid to admit that. See, it doesn't bother me that you pace back and forth in front of the house rather than go outside with me and chase girls. It doesn't bother me that you would rather talk to yourself than talk to me because you're afraid that I'll become like those people who don't understand you, and you'd rather not risk that. It doesn't make me any less interested in what you have to say when you repeat this and repeat the repeat this and repeat the thing over again. I just assumed it didn't feel right the first time. All they ever see in Ali is an autistic. But I see my brother, and I love him. But that's why I admire him. I wish I could be more like him.